Now, let me explain how the assignment is going to be like, right? Now, very importantly, especially for students, right, that are doing this course, very important. Your assignment is going to be on, I gave you details on how to do the, you know, Lovable on the online class we had. Those of you that don't understand, just follow. You will get what I'm saying later on. But the assignment, you have to create a website, a landing page, not really a website, a one-page website. A landing page is a one-page website. It's not different from, it's not far from a website. A website is, that has a lot of pages and all that. But a landing page has a one-page website. It's just like when you scroll, just one page. It doesn't have to go to another page. All right. So you're going to create a landing page, all right, with your group niche. Now you're going to follow your group. If your group is finance, you go with finance. If your group is in agriculture, you're going to do that, follow agriculture. If your group is in whatever. Now I told you Lovable, with Lovable you're going to use Lovable, right? I told you Lovable has just 5 points. You can only use 5 points daily. Yeah, you can only use 5 points, so don't waste your points. Use ChatGPT to plan your content, the content that's going to be in your website. I showed you that already. Content that's going to be in the website, use ChatGPT to plan you the content. Then when you go to Lovable, you're using the chatbot. There's a chatbot there. Lovable is prompt based, so you have to give it prompts for it to generate the website for you. Very easy. You can tell Lovable, I want all pictures to be black. I showed you in the class. I want this and that. It's very easy. It's that easy. You can just use a voice note and tell Lovable, I want this website to be this, da, 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 da. It's that easy. It's just like you snap your finger. That's how easy it is to build the website, and that's how easy the assignment is. So you create a website, a landing page. Now this landing page is going to have a call to action button, CTA button, call to action that is directing them. Now your landing page shouldn't be just too many talk. You should not have a lot of talk, too many talk. Of course, it's going to contain testimonials and all that. But the driving force, the point of the landing page is to get people to, I told you about storytelling, right? Now use all what you've learned so far to put inside your assignment, your landing page you're going to create. You're following the group niche, your group business name and all that, but you are what's the word? You are creating this page based on, you're not just creating a website. That's the difference between you that's different between you that have attending this course and people that have, they're just creating website for people. No, you are creating a sales funnel. Like I said, a sales funnel. Sales funnel is something that funnels people into sales. You're not just creating a website. Why we just a link? No, you're creating your website should tell the people, should be catchy, should have hooks. Why? 10 reasons why people fail in this and that field. Number 1, because they do this and that, because they do. Now I saw a video online, and I think it's on TikTok or something. This girl said, she just came and said, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Like, it was so grabbing. She was so dramatic. She said, I wish somebody told me this earlier, right? She said, if you're in your 20, this video, those things she said grab attention. Now, if you're in your 20, you'll be like, oh, let me hear, what is she going to say? What does she want to say? And all that. So she said, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I wish somebody told me this earlier. Those are statements that are, or I'm like, what does she want to say? Then she'll be like, if you are in your 20, you need to hear this. Right? So I'm not like thinking, okay, so what she wished somebody told her earlier is she was in her 20 and nobody told her. So she's trying to tell other people that, okay. Then she'll be like, my name is this and that. I am this year old. I am blah, blah, blah. These are 10 reasons, 10 things that you have to tell yourself. These are 10 things. You are not, she now started talking, you are not ugly. She was talking about something random. But the parts whereby she had this hook attention grabbing statement, that got people's attention. And that video had a lot of likes, a lot of, traction. So So that's what you have to do on your website. Yes, on your website, not even a video on your website. Your website have to have this hook. Like when your audience sees it. That's why I told you when talking to your AI, you have to work with the audience. When your audience, now she was specific about audience. She said if you are in your 20s, you need to see this. Our audience is people, young people around 20s. So she was specific. She made the video. She put in her audience everything. Now our audience will be like, oh, let me hear. I mean, if somebody's in 20, maybe 23, they will want to watch it. Now people that is in maybe they are hardly you see people that are in there, maybe they are 40, they are 50, they are let's say even 30, maybe 30, 35. They would not want to watch. They would just like, she defined her audience. She defined her audience. So majority of people that liked that video, I can tell you that those people are in their 20s. Probably in their 20s. Maybe some of them will be like maybe younger, or because she said, I wish somebody told me this before I turned 20, stuff like that. So you see, she defined her audience. Our audience saw it and they were like, yes, they could relate to it. Imbibe the storytelling I taught you. Imbibe it on your assignment. Storytelling. Put those hooks, put those catchy, your website should be engaging, should catch people. Should imbibe the storytelling test into your website and create a very beautiful website for me. And when submitting, I give you an instruction. Do not submit, because if you submit, test the link if it's going to work before you submit it, because you can just click on the link and just submit it like that. I might not be able to access it because you're using a free version and the website is not live. So make sure you publish it, you test the website before submitting. Test it if it's going to work. Test it if it's going to work. Test it if the link is clickable, not on your phone. Test it in somebody else's phone or somebody else's. Tell somebody to click the link and tell you how it is before you submit it, because if you submit it, OT law, I cannot be able to access it, and if I can't be able to access it, I might not be able to score you. Then in the PDF, make sure you have a screenshot of how you came up with the prompt, what you told ChatGPT to do. I've put out the instructions there already, so you know what to do. I'm just making this video so that you understand and you'll be clear. So because a lot of you are asking questions.